In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your LinkedIn credentials for both personal accounts and also organization. In this way, you can make the process of posting on LinkedIn fully automated, which is very cool. First, I have to mention on LinkedIn, we have two types of accounts. The first one is your personal account, and using your personal account, you can create many organization accounts. I'm sure all of you has a personal account. Make sure you at least connected with some people. And if you have some connections on LinkedIn, then you can create an organization or business. It is very important if you want to set up, credential inside n8n, you need both personal account and also organization account. So the first step in here is to create an organization account. How we can do that? Just click on for business in here and create a company page. My company is small, so let's click the first one, a name, let's say Auto Bees Edge. And for the website, I don't have a website. For the industry, let's say technology. Organization size, let's say 1 employee. Organization type, nonprofit. Select a logo in here. And now click on I verify. Click on create page. As you can see, my organization actually created. Now let's back to n8n. In here, let's write LinkedIn. We want to create a post. And in here for the credential section, select credential, create a new credential. As you can see in here, we have an OAuth redirect URL, which we have to set in LinkedIn. And also from our LinkedIn account, we need both client ID and also client secret. So how we can find these? Let's actually search LinkedIn developer solutions, developer.linkedin.com. In here, click on create app. You have to set an app name, Auto Bees Edge. And in here, it asks us our LinkedIn page. This is very important. Let me back to my organization account. In here, click on view as a member. And now we can see the link. Make sure to copy the link until here, until your organization name. For example, in here, AutoBiz Edge is my ID. I have to copy it until here and paste it in this section. You can see I can, there is my organization. It shows it in here. If it doesn't show it, your link is not correct. And we don't need privacy, URL. Upload the logo and click on I have read and agree. Click on create app. In this section, in the products, we have to give some access. The first one is share on LinkedIn. Request access, I have read, and request access. This is the first access that we have to give. The second one is sign in with LinkedIn using OpenID Connect. Click on request access. And now go to the off section. We have client ID in here and client secret. Let's copy client ID back to n8n, paste it in here. For the client secret, again, copy client secret in here, paste it in this section. And now if I scroll down, we have organization support. First, we want to connect and use this credential for our personal account. So if you're using this for your personal account, make sure organization is not selected. So deselect this. Also make sure to deselect legacy as well. both of these should be like this. Otherwise, you can't connect your account. Um, Before connecting, we also have to, set the URL link in here. In this section of to settings, click on this edit button, click add redirect URL, and on my, you know, n8n, as you can see, I have this link. Just copy this and paste it in here. Click on update. And now we should be able to connect our LinkedIn account with n8n. So let me scroll down. Again, click on connect my account. You actually have to log into your LinkedIn account, click on sign in and allow. And here we go, connection is successful. We were able to connect our personal LinkedIn account to n8n, which is great. Now in here, we can actually select our credential. We want to post, operation should be create, and post as person. We have person and organization. We still haven't give fully access to the organization. We can only post as a person right now on our personal account. You should be able to see your personal account in here if the connection is successful. If it's not, make sure to refresh the page. You should be able to see this in here. And for the text, usually for the automation, for example, we use ChatGPT. We ask to write a post for us and automatically post it in here. But right now, since my goal is to only show you how to set up the credentials, let's write a simple word like, for example, hello world. Very simple. But in the next videos, I'm going to show you how to fully automate this using OpenAI credentials. And media category should be none. And we're good to go. As soon as I click on execute a step, we should be able to see a new post on my LinkedIn account. Let me refresh the page. Let's just scroll down, and as you can see, hello world. To set up credentials for your organization account, you also have to activate advertising API. I've already requested access, but as you can see in here, I have to verify my organization first. So on the settings section, click on verify and click on copy URL. Open a new window and paste the link in here. Click on verify. And as you can see, I was able to verify my organization. Now let's back. Click on I'm done. Click on products. You can see it is still requesting access. Let me refresh the page. Okay, now I can request access. Let's click on this. I have read and request access. Now, click on access request form. We actually have to fill out some information in this form. We have to fill out some simple information like your name, company address, and company website. Let me fill this out and we'll back very soon. I just finished the survey and now it takes something around 10 to 20 minutes to see the results. They could give you the access or they could reject that. Personally, for the website, I just gave a fake website, so I'm not sure. Maybe they could reject my request. We're going to see. I just received an email and luckily my API access got approved. So on the LinkedIn developer section, let me refresh the page. And here we go. We have advertising API in this section. Now, let me back to n8n. Click on this. For the LinkedIn account, for the credential, we can create a new credential. This one was for our personal account. We can actually create a new credential. We have to use the same client ID and same client secret as our personal account. There is no difference. But the only difference that will happen is in this section. This time, we keep legacy as deselected, but we're going to select organization support. I don't want to create a new credential. However, I recommend to do it. This makes your job much easier. But let me actually edit the previous credential. This was my credential. Let me actually edit this. This was my client ID, client secret. But this time, as you can see, for personal account, both of them were deselected. This time, we're going to select organization support. And now let me click on connect my account. We have to log in to our LinkedIn account again. Click on sign in and click on allow. Connection is successful. So basically, we can use this credential right now only for organization because we set the organization support. If you want to use it for personal, you have to deselect this. Better to have two credentials, so whenever you want, you can select one of them. But in here, I have an organization credential, post, create. This time, post as an organization. Make sure to select this. And for the organization URN, this is very important. Go to your company page, your organization page. This is actually my public, URL. There is a number in here before admin. Copy this number and paste it in here. Especially if you have multiple organizations, this is very important because if you want to post in one of them, you have to select the right number. Now, let's actually use the same text, hello world. Click on execute step, and here we go. Let me go to my company page, click on view as a member, and as you can see, hello world, this time on my organization account. Very simple. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Also join my free school community, link in the video description. In this way you can gain access to so many paid workflows and tutorials for free.